Hi everyone! If you've ever tried to describe a town or a city in Italian, you may have noticed that in Italy we have lots of different words to do that. We have città, cittadina, paese, borgo, villaggio. Each one of these words paints a slightly different picture. So which one and when do we use it? In Italian, to say city, we say la città in the singular form and le città in the plural form. A city could have many inhabitants, molti abitanti, or few inhabitants, pochi abitanti. But how do we distinguish between a big or a small city? In everyday language, we use the word cittadina to describe a small city of a certain cultural or administrative importance. Borgo is a medium centre or also a centre situated outside the city walls, but still part of the city. The original meaning of the word relates to a historic fortified town. That's probably why most people associate il Borgo with a small historic place. Borgo is a medium centre. Villaggio is a small village located in the countryside, whilst Paese is a small centre, and often people refer to Paese also to indicate the town or place of origin. The word Paese also means country. Lucca is a cittadina full of life, lively but not huge. Here's a quick way to remember all this. Città is a city. Cittadina is a small centre of cultural or administrative importance. Borgo is a medium centre, which can also be located outside the city walls, but be still part of the city and has a historic importance. Villaggio is a small village, usually in the countryside. Paese refers to your hometown or to your country or to a small village. Would you prefer to live in a quiet borgo or in a bustling cittadina? Let me know in the comments.